We're working on the hard bodies today. Film it. Put down all the stuff. This is the parts truck. I didn't really give you guys much of an overview, but I had a friend, shout out Mr. Grady and Olive, for dropping off. Well, shout out Grady and Olive for dropping off front brake rotors and pads for the hard body. Thanks, guys. Ripping out these seats today. As you can see, besides this rip here, this is the nicest part of this entire fucking truck. Alright? Nicest part of the whole truck. So, these are coming out. The reason why I'm taking them out, because I have a bench seat. Oh man. Well, we have a good truck here. And we have this bench seat. I don't like it. I can't recline my seat. It's bullshit. Let's work on it. This is our parts truck. We got it for this one here. This is a 1988 D21 Nissan hardbody. King cab. It's got the V6, the 5-speed in it. It's sitting on 15s, on 31s. It's 4x4, and it's a parts truck for a reason. King cab. Did I say that? 4x4. Surprisingly runs and drives. Not really. When I towed it out of here, as you guys saw if you watched the last video, I had to take off the drive shaft. So, it's got a couple parts in the back. We got a door card, drive shaft, looks like speakers, center console, taillights. These are parts I just mentioned. Whatever. It's got no taillights on it, but follow me. Look at this here. Not all rotted out. Nice. It's got this down here. A little bit of Bondo. But it's a lot better than my truck stuff. It's got this black line across the whole thing. That was hand painted. And it's got a couple goodies on it, but sadly it's the V6. So I can't take too many things off of it. Just follow me around here. And I can show you these eBay tails that came with it. I'm not the biggest fan, but mine are cracked on the 97. So, it's okay, but we'll swap them out. But like I said, today we are doing the seats. So let's start by removing these front ones. Alright, these are all of the parts that were in the back seat of the King cab. Start from the top. Drive shaft. eBay taillights. We got one speaker, expansion tank. We have the trim for the doors right there. Center console, oil filter. I don't think I'm gonna use that. We got door handles, singular wiper blade, seat belt buckles, one door card for the driver's side. I don't know what that goes to. Some airbox stuff. I think this is somewhere in the footwell. Yeah. This right here is bucket of bolts for drive shaft, and I have no clue what that goes to. And I forgot a couple things. We have locking hubs here for the fronts, and we have these, I think those are taillight wiring harness. The hubs go alright, I guess they're spares. Cool. Alright, so we have spare front locking hubs. Nice. We're gonna start taking out the front seats on the truck. Okay, it's not a 10 mil. We're gonna see if it's a 12. It is. Also decently crusty. Whatever. It's out. All that I care about. Should have brought paper towels because I don't want to fuck up these seats. Just a Dragonfly. Don't worry. Alright. Come out a whole lot easier than the bench seats. Alright. Seats are out of the car. Look pretty good. Now we're in the daily, but as you can see, it's a little gross. I've got receipts, chargers. Let's clean it up a little bit. Come on, it could be nasty for YouTube, dude. As you can see, it's dirty, but we're a YouTuber now. YouTube magic. I know that was shit. Alright, let's get these fucking seats out. Remove all the tools and other jazz. Oil, because, you know, it is a shitter after all. Skateboard. We will be filming a skate video soon. Might even be this video because this isn't going to take too long. I might do a couple other stuff in here, but I'm really saving the bed and the gas tank for when I have a friend up here. It's either going to be Logan or Blake or whoever it is when we film the video. So this is definitely going to be 2 videos for the whole truck to be transformed. It won't look that much different. So nice. Dude, why did it suck the first time? Why did it suck the first time taking it out? I remember these rear bolts being fucking bullshit.
Probably because it's clean now.
Yeah. Shout out to that last video. If you didn't watch it, go watch it. Actually.
That's 2 videos ago.
2 videos ago, sorry. When I'm filming this, it was the last video. Should probably upload more. But hey, I'm still in that window, that little time frame where it hasn't been that long since I've uploaded. So I'm still on track. And I'm gonna try to be. Just don't hold me to it, right? Alright, these bolts are out. Moving on to this side. I bet that was over. Not even a B. Sorry. Had to switch sides because that's B over here. You know, princess treatment for me. That's a joke for Alright. Hopefully I'm able to take this fucking seat out easier than I did the last time. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Riley's sitting in the garage because we got AC in here. It's so nice in here now, bro. I mean, I could bring it in. I mean, not right now. We have lots of shit going on because that just got put up. But eventually, we'll be working in the AC garage. Oh, yeah. I also got these stock with the extended cab. So these wheels are going to go on, but the single cab needs a alignment. So I'm going to be putting the wheels that are on it now up front because this wheel is the one that just runs through tires. If you're wondering why I'm holding screwdrivers for cutting the carpet here, I'm just gonna chuck a screwdriver in it at first, so hopefully it looks kind of clean, you know. With the cabs with bench seats, they didn't change the chassis at all, and they just left the bolt hole here, so we can reach under here and there. Boom. Just like that. And now, make it a little bigger with this one. And there you go. Stick it through the other side. And yeah, there is our hole for the seat. About it, easy as that. And I actually didn't know that this hole here, or this bolt, is the exact seat bolt. If you look, they do look pretty symmetrical. So we got one here, we have one here, 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 and here. And they left the bolt in this one, which I think is sick, because I thought I was gonna have to get another bolt. I just fucking snapped. Great. So this bolt, driver's seat, is gonna have 3 bolts because I'm not drilling that out. I am so sorry. It's not happening, nigga. There it is. Driver's seat's in. Yo, that's nuts. That's nuts.
Nice. I like those. Nice old truck.
Thank you. I got this one for 400 bucks. Everyone loves a hard body. So we're gonna do this bolt back here first. From the top, and this bolt is fine. Or there's no bolt there, but I don't want that to snap again. Let's try it. Spread the bottom. Now let's give it a go. Dude, I don't want this to snap. A little turn each time. Dude, I have to have like gradual turns. Alright, had to make sure I wasn't tightening it. Fuck! This one's only getting 3 bolts too. God damn it, dude. Because, you know, see, I was gonna do other stuff today, but it is so hot. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna change the fucking shift knob, buddy. Alright. This is the life. This is the life right here. Alright, so now gotta get, this is like what I've been waiting for. I've been wanting to do this shit since I got this truck. I'm hyped. Dad, I don't really sit on the passenger seat ever, but it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, yo, man. Here, Riley, you get to test it. Is it valid or what?
I think it is.
What do you mean you think?
I mean, the other seats were comfy, but like...
So today, guys, we are putting the old seats back in my truck. Just gotta get used to it.
I'm excited not to have to like hold on for dear life around the corners, cause like the bucket, or not the bucket, the bench seat, you like weren't held into place.
So I'd just be whipping it is what you're telling me.
Yeah, 40 miles an hour.
Chill out. Look at that big ass bee.
That's the bee.
The bee. You like gas? We're gonna do a victory kickflip.
Bro.
In the back of the parts truck. There's no show. I don't even wear, these aren't my skate shoes. You guys are gonna find out I'm not very good at skateboarding either. That's so slick. That's actually so slick. Ready? So now I have to land it, right? I can't let the parts truck win. Give me my board. Please and thank you. Aura. I just didn't have enough aura. No looker.
That counts.
No, that doesn't fucking count.
Beautiful.
That is good. This changes like everything. Wow. I'm hyped. Alright. We're coming up to some corners here that would absolutely throw me the fuck around with the bench seat. And I've already felt a couple corners and it feels so much better, but this is really gonna see like how it is. There's some bikers. That's nuts. That is nuts. That's nuts. Oh my god. What a fucking mod. Part of me didn't even want to change it out because I've gotten so used to the bench seat. But I'm so glad I did. It's such a good thing to do. I'm like placed in and not fucking flying around anymore. So This is gonna be the end of this video. Next video I post is gonna be a skate video. Yeah. See you on the next one.